Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if your Shopify product descriptions are long and messy, adding tabs makes information easier for customers to read and navigate. This simple change can improve the user experience by organizing your product details, making it easier for customers to find what they need without feeling overwhelmed. Tabs can also make your product pages look more professional and polished, enhancing your store's overall appearance and usability. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme and navigate to the product pages. This is where you'll make all your design adjustments, including adding new features like tabs to your product descriptions. In the sections for product description, look for an option to enable tabs. This may be found within your theme's settings or product layout options. If your theme doesn't natively support tabs, you may need to install a Shopify app that allows you to add tabs to product descriptions. There are several apps available in the Shopify App Store that can easily integrate with your store and allow you to add tabs without needing to code anything yourself. Some popular apps include Easy Tabs or Product Tabs by Booster. These can make the process much faster and simpler. Once tabs are enabled, configure each tab with a title, such as Description, Specifications, or Reviews. These are the most common categories, but feel free to customize them based on your products. For example, if you're selling tech products, you could add tabs for features or FAQs. By separating your content into clearly defined categories, customers can quickly find the information they're looking for without scrolling through long, dense paragraphs. It's a great way to streamline your product pages and ensure customers don't get lost in the details. After setting up the tabs, save your changes and preview a product page to confirm the tabs display correctly. Take the time to click through the tabs yourself to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Make sure that the navigation is seamless and that customers can easily switch between tabs without any issues. It's essential that the tabs not only look good, but also work well, as this will greatly enhance the shopping experience. After saving your product descriptions, now use tabs to improve readability and navigation for customers. This feature helps keep your product pages clean and organized, and it's especially helpful for stores with a lot of product details or specifications. With tabs, your customers can quickly find important information like sizing charts, shipping details, or return policies, making it more likely they'll complete a purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical Shopify tips and tricks to enhance your store's performance.